You ever hear someone say, "I got hacked," and think, wow, must have been some genius coder in a hoodie? Nah, you probably clicked on a link that said free V-Bucks. Real hacking? It's not what movies make it look like. It's usually just human stupidity with a little Wi-Fi. Let me show you how hackers actually do it, because it's dumber than you think. Phishing, the classic. Hackers send you an email pretending to be your long-lost uncle from Nigeria. They say, "Your account is locked. Click here to verify." You click. Boom. You just gave your login info to someone who still lives in their mom's basement. Brute forcing. Basically, hackers run bots that try a bajillion passwords per second. You'd think this only works on old people named Harold. But no, top passwords in the world? 123456. Password. And the mighty QWERTY. Hackers aren't decoding NSA-level encryption. They're guessing your dog's name with a birth date. You're in a coffee shop. You connect to free Wi-Fi called Starbucks Guest. Except it's not Starbucks. It's a hacker's laptop, broadcasting fake Wi-Fi. Now they're seeing your traffic, your logins, your browser history. Yes, including that thing you Googled at 2 a.m. last night. Hackers drop USB drives in parking lots labeled confidential or salary data. And guess what? People plug them in. Because curiosity is greater than common sense. Inside, malware, spyware, a whole cyber buffet. So, most hacks aren't elite-level cyber warfare. They're psychological tricks, guesswork, and people being, well, people. Want to stay safe? Don't click weird links. Use better passwords. Don't trust every email that says urgent. And seriously, stop using admin as your password. So, hackers don't need magic. They just need you to be lazy. So don't be lazy, be paranoid. But like, healthy paranoid. Thanks for watching. Now go change your password. I know it's bad.